your name and then your dream of coming to Africa, finally coming to.
Hello folks, greetings. My name is Corwin Francis and I am here in Ghana. This has been a dream for me to get back to the continent of Africa because my people have been taken over 400 years ago, and I am looking to restore our homeland, our dream, the promised land, which Marcus Garvey had prophesied, which he had worked towards. And this is a generation in the age of Aquarius is looking to share the information, is looking to help people to know that Ghana is a place that is developing, and we need your help to develop Ghana. Through Ababio, through RepatriateToGhana.com, they have made the process for me so much easier, and I'm sure they can make the process easier just for you as well. Thank you.
To be a citizen of Ghana, one word, just one word.
Acceptance.
Awesome.